Are you tired of working a 9-to-5 job and looking for a way to start your own business without breaking the bank? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing 4 online businesses that you can start with absolutely no money. With these 4 online businesses, you can start making money without spending a dime. Choose the one that fits your skills and interests, and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Kindly like this video and also subscribe to this channel now. Without further ado, let's dive into our list of the 4 online businesses you can start with no money. Online business number 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products without holding inventory. It's a great option if you want to start an online business but don't have a lot of money to invest up front. So, let's dive into the details. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. How does dropshipping work? To start a dropshipping business, you'll need to create an online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These platforms offer a range of features and integrations that make it easy to build and manage your store. Once you've set up your store, you'll need to find products to sell. You can source products from wholesalers or manufacturers, which you can find on websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket. These websites offer a range of products at low prices, so you can sell them at a higher price and make a profit. When a customer places an order on your website, you'll receive the payment and then place an order with your supplier. The supplier will then ship the product directly to the customer, and you'll keep the difference between the price you charged the customer and the price you paid the supplier. Advantages of dropshipping. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is that it requires very little upfront investment. You don't need to buy inventory, rent a warehouse, or hire staff. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Another advantage of dropshipping is that it's highly scalable. You can easily add new products to your store without having to worry about inventory management or logistics. You can also reach customers all over the world without having to set up a physical store in each location. Finally, dropshipping allows you to focus on marketing and customer service rather than logistics. Since you don't handle the products yourself, you can spend more time on activities that will help you grow your business. Disadvantages of dropshipping. While dropshipping has many advantages, it also has some disadvantages. One of the biggest disadvantages is that you have little control over the product quality and shipping times. If your supplier doesn't ship the product on time or the product is of poor quality, it can reflect poorly on your business. Another disadvantage of dropshipping is that it can be highly competitive. Since the barrier to entry is low, there are many other businesses selling similar products. You'll need to differentiate yourself through marketing and customer service to stand out. Online business number 2. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to share your passion for writing with the world, and it can even be a source of income if you monetize your blog. So, let's dive into the details. What is blogging? Blogging is the act of writing and publishing content on a website called a blog. Blogs can cover a wide range of topics, from personal experiences to business advice to entertainment news. The content is typically written in a conversational tone and is meant to engage the reader. How do you start a blog? To start a blog, you'll need to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that has an audience. You can create a blog for free on platforms like WordPress or Blogger, which offer a range of customizable templates and easy-to-use tools. Once you've set up your blog, you'll need to start creating content. You should aim to publish new content on a regular basis to keep your readers engaged. You can write about your own experiences, provide advice or tutorials, or curate content from other sources. How do you monetize your blog? Once you've built an audience for your blog, you can start monetizing it. There are several ways to do this. Ads. You can display ads on your blog using ad networks like Google AdSense or MediaVini. You learn money every time a reader clicks on an ad. Sponsored content. You can work with brands to create sponsored content that promotes their products or services. You'll be paid a fee for the content, and it may include a link to the brand's website. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products on your blog using affiliate links. When a reader clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Advantages of blogging. One of the biggest advantages of blogging is that it allows you to share your passion with the world. You can build a community of readers who share your interests and engage with them through comments and social media. Another advantage of blogging is that it can be a source of income. While it may take some time to build an audience and start monetizing your blog, it's possible to earn a full-time income from blogging. Finally, blogging allows you to develop your writing skills and build a portfolio of work that you can use to advance your career. Disadvantages of blogging. While blogging has many advantages, it also has some disadvantages. One of the biggest disadvantages is that it can be time-consuming. Writing high-quality content takes time and effort, and it may be difficult to balance blogging with other responsibilities. Another disadvantage of blogging is that it can be competitive. There are millions of blogs on the internet, and it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd. You'll need to create high-quality content and promote your blog through social media and other channels to build an audience. Online business number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting other people's products. So, let's dive into the details. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales that you generate. You can promote products through a variety of channels, including your blog, social media, and email marketing. How does affiliate marketing work? To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or several others. These programs provide you with a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the product. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the program and the product, but it's typically between 5% and 20% of the sale price. Advantages of affiliate marketing. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is that it's a low-risk way to earn money. You don't need to invest any money up front to promote the product, and you don't need to handle any customer service or shipping. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income. Once you've created content promoting the product, it can continue to generate sales and earn commissions for you over time. Finally, affiliate marketing allows you to promote products that you believe in and that are relevant to your audience. This can help build trust with your audience and increase your credibility as a marketer. Disadvantages of affiliate marketing. While affiliate marketing has many advantages, it also has some disadvantages. One of the biggest disadvantages is that it can be competitive. There are many affiliate marketers promoting the same products, so you'll need to find a way to stand out from the crowd. Another disadvantage of affiliate marketing is that it can take time to build an audience and start earning commissions. You'll need to create high-quality content and promote it through social media and other channels to build a following and generate sales. Online business number 4. Social media management. If you have experience in managing social media accounts, you can offer your services to small businesses and entrepreneurs who may not have the time or knowledge to manage their own accounts. What is social media management? Social media management involves creating and curating content for social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. It also includes engaging with followers, monitoring analytics, and running paid advertising campaigns. Why is social media management important? Social media is an important part of any business's marketing strategy. It allows businesses to connect with their audience, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to their website. However, managing social media accounts can be time-consuming and require specific skills and knowledge. As a social media manager, you can offer your services to businesses and entrepreneurs who may not have the time or expertise to manage their own accounts. This can be a great way to earn money while helping businesses grow their online presence. How to get started with social media management. To get started with social media management, you'll need to have experience in managing social media accounts. This can include creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers. Next, you'll need to create your own social media profiles and build a portfolio of your work. This can include examples of content that you've created and analytics that show the success of your campaigns. Once you have a portfolio, you can start reaching out to small businesses and entrepreneurs who may be interested in your services. You can also advertise your services on social media and freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr. Advantages of social media management. One of the biggest advantages of social media management is that it allows you to work from anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, you can manage social media accounts for businesses around the world. Another advantage of social media management is that it allows you to be creative. You can create content that engages with followers and showcases the personality of the business. Finally, social media management can be a lucrative career. As businesses continue to prioritize their online presence, the demand for social media managers is only going to increase. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on starting and growing your online business.